Okay, the drink we're about to make is called Sol Y Sombra. And we're going to serve this up chilled, so put some ice in a glass and measure out 1.5 ounces of brandy. And follow that up with 1.5 ounces of anisette. Okay, let's go ahead and shake it up. Now, Sol Y Sombra means sun and shade. So with this drink, I would say the sun is our anisette and the shade is the brandy. Okay, now we're going to take a brandy snifter glass and we're going to strain in. Okay. That's all there is to it. That is a Sol Y Sombra, sun and shade. Bottoms up.